Hello dear viewers, I hope so you are fine and fit. लेट मी टेल यू दैट आज जो हम डिस्कस करेंगे वो ये करेंगे कि बेस्ट हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस जो हैं वो कौन सी हैं एंड हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस इन पाकिस्तान, हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस इन लंदन. ओके, Pupa.com, International Health Management, Private Health Insurance. Okay, so in this video we will discuss the UK health insurance plans for foreigners and other peoples who are living there. So welcome to our YouTube channel Wasim Tech, and if you are new on our YouTube channel, then please it's a humble request to you that subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get latest update from our YouTube channel. So let's start guys. Today topic: UK health insurance plans for foreigners. International health insurance for expatriates in the United Kingdom. The United Kingdom is one of the most following destination in the world for expat. It has easy flight connection, a wide array of business opportunities, and the attraction of not having to learn a new language. It's easy to see why it's so beloved by American expat and those from around the world. Okay, and part of UK's appeal is the superb reputation of its healthcare system, but for foreigners or expat in UK for first time, there are a lot of logistics to sort out. UK health insurance should be at the top of your priority list. Best health insurance plans for expert in UK. Expatriates in UK have many options to other global medical coverage. Two leading providers are listed below. Cigna Global Medical, in a great option for most and you benefits, as their global headquarters are located in Glasgow. GeoBlue Explorer plan in your intelligent options for US citizens living in the United Kingdom, as they will provide up to 9 months of coverage back in USA as well as worldwide. The recommended plans are available in England, Britain, Wales, Scotland and Netherlands and Ireland. A leading international health for all foreigners in UK. The Cigna Global Plan is excellent option for foreigners residing in the UK and expatriates or immigrants for extended period of time. The plan offers a range of coverage option, each which reference cost. Cigna also has offices in London and Glasgow, making customer service more accessible. Cigna's network of doctors and private hospitals in UK and around the world is excellent, so access the quality care is not a concern. So guys, this is our video for today, and it's Cigna icon and Cigna company plan insurance, everything here, and G below the third party options, Williams Results Insurance, and there are so many institute who are providing the health insurance for you in UK, and which people are living in UK are foreigners. Can international citizens in UK NHS system? So that's for today, and let's meet in next video. We will discuss further, and you will be understand more about the health insurance. So be safe and also take care to yourself. Let's meet in next video.